Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make 15,000 US dollars monthly online from home. Watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide on how to make 15,000 US dollars online from home. If you are excited and ready to learn more about how to make this much money, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. In today's video, I will show you a new way to make up to 15,000 US dollars a month easily. Believe me, this isn't clickbait. People make a lot of money online every month without leaving their homes. If you want to make money while you sleep, I suggest you start a blog. I will tell you exactly what you need to do to make money from home online. So Adam and Roy is the guy who can help you make money online by blogging. At the moment, they make more than 2 million US dollars a year from just one blog. Adam and Roy has a YouTube channel where he shows people how to start a successful blog and earn passive income from home from the very beginning. Remember, I'm not an affiliate for this channel. I only want to help you with what I create, because as a content creator, I have to give you something of value in my videos. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning how to make 15,000 US dollars monthly online from home. If you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.